it's a good one. Do you believe in ghosts, Murtaza?
No, I don't believe in ghost.
You don't believe in ghosts, okay. What if you see a ghost in real life? Like you encounter a ghost. What will you do? Will you get scared?
No, I don't get scared. I will run after him.
You'll run after him. Why? Hey, wait. Hold on, I have to tell you something like that.
I will tell him, take me with you.
Oh no, why, Murtaza? You don't like to live? Come on, you need to get married, Murtaza. Corona is coming. Go get married. You don't want to die before marriage. Hey,
Hey, how are you?
how are you? We meet again. You changed your name? Did you change your name?
Yeah,
You changed your name. I was like, what? This is not Samir. This is Murtaza.
yeah.
How are you, Murtaza?
I have both names, Samir and Murtaza.
Oh, you have two names. Nice. Interesting. Okay. How are you? How has it been? How's everything going on with you?
Yeah, everything is going good. How about
Uh-huh.
you?
Yeah, all right. Did you watch that movie? Did you watch the movie I told you about?
Yeah, I'm in the middle.
You're in the middle. You're still in the middle.
Yeah, I'm still in the middle, but I didn't get the time that time.
I know. It's a movie that you need to. I think it's 3 hours, isn't it? 3 hour
Yeah,
movie.
two,
Mm.
3 hours.
Okay. Well, where are you at? Where are you at?
I am right now at my home.
Okay. No, where are you at in the movie?
I'm in the middle.
I'm checking. You're in the middle.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, Murtaza. So, how's your morning?
yeah, it has been good till now.
Uh-huh. Did
I,
you have you don't drink tea, you told me. So, yeah, you had your coffee or whatever beverage you take in the morning?
I had my tea
Oh, you do
recently.
drink tea. Okay.
I had my tea recently.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, now I came
Nice.
back to my room so that I can have a video call.
Yeah, yes, Murtaza. It's nice to see you again.
Yeah,
My
it's
first learner.
yeah.
Right? Okay. So you want to go into the topic of the day?
Yeah, go ahead.
All right. So Murtaza, are you a risk taker?
Kind of.
So tell me about risk. What do you think about risk, and what is the riskiest thing that you've done?
Yeah, I have done one, the riskiest thing.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, when I was studying in eighth standard, yeah,
Uh-huh.
I took a risk to drive a tractor.
Oh, oh my God. Eighth standard, you drove a tractor?
Yeah,
Did it go well? Tell me about it. More. Tell me more about
yeah,
it.
yeah. Then I was good at it. I get used to it. I was
Uh-huh.
easy driving the tractor.
Oh, you just drove it. How did you learn to drive it? Is it like driving a car? You knew to drive a car?
Yeah, then after that I drive drove a car as well.
Ooh, so eighth standard, how old will you be in eighth standard? 14 years old?
I
14,
was
15?
13 years old.
13 years old. Murtasa, no. Tractor, oh my God, I can't even imagine. So do you think when you take a risk,
Yeah,
does it make you stronger? Do you think so?
yeah, it made me stronger because
Uh-huh.
it's not easy to drive a tractor at the age of 13.
You can't say that. What if you fell out of the tractor? What if you broke something? What if you killed someone? What do you have done?
Yeah, I didn't
Right?
think about that at that time.
And then if that happened, you wouldn't be saying, "Oh, it made me stronger,"
Yeah,
right?
it made me stronger.
Yeah. So, will you advise others to drive a tractor as well? You'll call your 13-year-old cousin and tell him, "Hey, go drive a tractor," like that. Will you tell him?
No, no, I will not do that.
No.
I will not spoil anyone's future.
Okay. That's good. Okay, you're a good adult, Murtaza. Yep. So yeah, that's about risk. So what other things have you been doing this week?
I have been reading a book. Yeah, it's about public speaking, how we can enhance our speaking skills. Yeah, how we can get up early,
Skills.
how we can stand out in public while speaking in public. I have been reading the book and I have been enjoying a lot.
Okay, that's really great. Interesting. Oh, I've been traveling a lot. I was in Kerala. The first class I took, remember, I was back home. I was back home. Now I'm in Chennai.
Chennai,
Yeah, Chennai Patnam.
do you go for some work?
No, I just came over just like that. I don't know. I just felt we have a house here. So I thought, okay, I'll come and stay here for a while. A break from Kerala. Right. Everybody needs a break for
Are
your
you
sanity.
are you with your husband?
No, I don't have a husband. No, I'm not married.
You are not married.
No, what, you thought I'm married? No, I'm not married. What, you thought I'm an old auntie? Huh? What is that?
No.
Bad.
I thought you told me in previous video that I am married.
No. I have a partner. I'm not married. I have
You
working partner.
haven't get married yet.
Okay. Yeah. We didn't get married yet. We have to get married. I mean, we have to get married, right?
So
Yeah.
get
So that. What?
I said get married as soon as possible because the corona is.
You too, Murtaza. Find a girl from the road. Hey, come, let's get married. And go, Corona is coming. Come, let's get married. What if we die? What if we die without getting married, right? No. Oh, God.
He will take out his sleepers.
What is it? What is it? Oh God, Murtaza, you are funny. Yes. So, what else do you want to tell me about? So you said you're in the middle of The Exorcist, right? Did you like it so far? Are you enjoying it?
Yeah, I have been enjoying it a lot. It's kind of.
So the thing is that it's a movie. Go on.
Hello?
Go on. Murtaza, go on. You were saying something.
Yeah, go on.
I can hear you. You were saying something. No, you.
No, I didn't say. I said go on.
Okay, fine. So that movie is, it's an old movie, okay? So we can't expect it to be like the new movies, like jump scares and all that. It's about like, it's a masterpiece, that movie. And if you've seen that movie, you can tell people that, hey, I've seen The Exorcist, have you? Like that. It's like you can flaunt with it. It's a movie like that.
Yeah, it's a cult classic movie that you said.
Yeah, cult classic. There are many movies like that, many movies, but not everybody, they wouldn't enjoy it. Not everyone can enjoy it, but
Yeah,
still,
not
it's
everyone
true.
can enjoy it. Yeah, I totally agree with you.
That's right. But I am not a fan of these new horror movies, Murtaza. What about you?
Yeah, I am fan of horror movies. I like watching horror movies.
Okay, you already mentioned that, but what I'm saying is that the new horror movies are full of jump scares. You know what jump scares are?
Jump scares. What is that?
Jump scares are like poo, like that. It'll come and scare us. Like we'll be watching, the screen will be
And ghost.
fully dark screen, and then suddenly someone will jump out, like like that.
Yeah.
So that is a jump scare. That's a new word for you. Word for the day. Jump scare.
Jump scare.
It jumped us and it scared us like that. Yeah.
Can you make some sentence with the word?
Oh, that movie is full of jump scares. That means it's full of that, scary bits like that. Then what is
Yes.
scare? Yeah, it's mainly related to movies or videos.
Yeah, scary scene is between the movie.
Yeah, it's
That
not just scary. It jumped us. It had a sudden scary bit. That's what a sudden scary bit is, a jump
yeah,
scare.
I got it.
Yeah.
Jump.
Can you make a sentence with it?
Yeah. Yesterday I was watching a movie. Yeah.
I was.
Suddenly I had a jump scare.
Yeah. Suddenly I got a jump scare. I got jump scared like that, right? That's
Jump
right.
scare.
Yeah, that's right. It's full of jump scares, which I believe which reduces the quality of the movie. If it's too much of jump scares, I don't really enjoy it. What about you?
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, it's like no, it's not good. It has to be creepy. It has to take us through the story. Yeah.
Yeah, some movies really creep me out.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. It does. It does creep me out too.
Yeah,
Some
some movies.
like, let's say the movies like The Conjuring or The Insidious.
Yeah,
Those are good movies. Those are good movies, but not so much.
have you watched them?
Yeah, I've seen all the horror movies in the history of time. I don't even know if I haven't seen any movies. I've seen so many horror movies. You can ask me about any horror movie. I'm a horror fan.
Insidious. Yeah, have you watched that movie, Insidious?
Yeah. I think it's got 3 parts. Yes, I watched it all.
Yeah, that's good.
Uh-huh. Yeah, it's a good one. Do you believe in ghosts, Murtaza?
No, I don't believe in ghosts.
You don't believe in ghosts, okay? What if you see a ghost in real life, like you encounter a ghost? What will you do? Will you get scared?
No, I don't get scared. I will run after him.
You'll run after him. Why? Hey, wait. Hold on, I have to tell you something like that.
I will tell him, take me with you.
Oh no, why, Murtaza? You don't like to live? Come on, you need to get married, Murtaza. Corona is coming. Go get married. You don't want to die before marriage. Uh, yeah. That's right. Yeah. Yep. So that's the deal. What else? What else do you want to tell me about? Horror.
So
Horror is. Go on. Go on.
how do you spend your day?
Sorry. My day, I just woke up at 10 and I started my session.
How many sessions you had till now?
I think I've taken about 63 sessions.
Yeah, I said morning till now.
Oh, this is my third session. Yeah, third session.
Okay, great.
Yeah, now I'm turning clapping go into my bread and butter now. Because I have nothing else to do anyway, so why not make some money out of this, right?
It's good.
It's been lovely. And I've been meeting a lot of people from all over the world, Murtaza. I mean, all over the India. I mean, not world, India. It's been
Yeah.
really fun.
You get to learn the culture of new people.
Aha, that's the fun bit about this job.
Yeah, that's an interesting thing.
What about you? You have been meeting other tutors and having a cultural exchange with them as well, right?
I have been enjoying a lot. I have been meeting so many tutors. I got so much knowledge from them. Yeah.
That's right.
Improving a lot with the help of
Yeah,
this Clappingo.
that's
Yeah,
right.
because of Clappingo that I am able to speak.
Yeah, that's right, Murtaza. It's so true.
Yeah, it's because of Clappingo I'm able to put my waves across.
Yeah, that's right. Yep. Well, it's not just about learning English. It's also about improving your, like, if you have social anxiety or any difficulties facing new people, talking to them, even that, you can work on in this platform.
Yeah, we overcome that as well here.
That's right.
If we have a some people have a phobia, like
A phobia, yes.
they tend to fear.
That's right. That's right.
They tend to fear meeting new people. But
That's
here,
right. That's right.
new people, and we can overcome that phobia that we have.
That's right. Yep. The phobia that they have, it's also called a social anxiety. Social anxiety. Okay, you want me to type it for you?
No.
Okay, you
I
got
got
it. All right. It's social anxiety.
social anxiety. I got that.
Work on that as well here. Social anxiety. It's like a go on.
It's a good app. Yeah, I get to meet new tutors every day. Yeah.
That's right. Even me too. I get to meet a lot of people. It's been really fun. And this is what I like to do. Already I work in the customer industry, service industry. So I know to deal with people, and it's been really fun for me. See, I'm doing this as well, Murtaza. Seeing you, I'm always doing this. Now, you didn't do that today. You didn't do that. You were doing that a lot last session.
But the strange thing is that they gives us the certain the topic that we did not even imagine.
Imagine, that's right.
Got new words from the topic. Yeah, that's the
Yeah,
clapping
that's
ahead.
that's right. Yeah, and for you, you have a good English already, and we need to work on your speaking, and which you're already working on as well. Here and there, you're making a little mistake, but with time, we'll be perfect. What is it?
I said with time, my mistakes are sometimes.
Yeah. I can't hear you a little bit. It's a bit. Yeah,
Now it's okay.
go on.
Now?
Yeah. Tell me. What did you say?
I said with time, my mistakes are gonna vanish.
True. With time, your mistakes are gonna vanish. So true. It's gonna get better English, and even I'm learning as well. I'm learning new words as well. I'm learning things through this.
Yeah, it's a
I'm
learning
also
process.
learning, and that's the fun bit. Yeah.
It's a-
There's always more room to learn more, as they say.
There's always a room to improve. Yeah.
Yep.
No one is perfect. We need to follow the rules.
That's right. Yep. So I think our session is about to end in a couple of minutes.
Out of time, I think.
Yes, so it was really nice talking to you, Murtaza. Again, really nice meeting you. And finish that movie, okay?
I will.
Next time we meet, you shouldn't be telling me that, oh, I'm 3/4 of the movie. I reached 3/4. Watch it full. It'll be good.
No, I will definitely do.
Yeah. So that's the deal. Did you have your breakfast already?
Yeah, I had my breakfast.
What did you have for breakfast? What do you normally have for breakfast?
I took 2 eggs. I had 2 eggs. Yeah.
Boiled vegetables? No,
No,
just eggs.
2 eggs, and I had tea as well.
Okay, that's more than enough. That's a complete breakfast. Eggs got everything that you need. You don't need to eat too much of morning rice, this, that, and all that. Eggs, perfect, fine.
Yeah, I don't eat junk foods in the mornings.
That's right. That's right. In the morning, I had my cup of. See, look at my glass, Batman. A cup of coffee and some fried items because I was too lazy to cook. So, and since I'm alone.